Hey Titus, you're on!
Hi everybody! Today we will talk about handlebars. What do you think? The handlebar is bent?
No, it's not bent.
Come on, it seems a little bit bent to me.
It's not bent. You wanna bet?
Yeah, I think I want to bet on this one. It's
Okay.
bent. Well, we are here today beside a beautiful 700 GS with it was bought by a friend of mine from the second-hand market. We don't always have money for brand new motorcycles, isn't it? But every time when we buy from second-hand market, we don't know exactly which are the hidden faults which a motorcycle might have. And it didn't last too long after my friend, it was coming to me telling me that she's having a hint, like her handlebar, it might be bent. I was making a bet on that the handlebar is bent, and I want to see now if I will win this bet or I will lose this bet. But you will never know exactly if the handlebar is bent until you don't take it apart. I took all the electrics from the handlebar down, and let's see if the handlebar is bent. And for this, we will take the handlebar and we're gonna put the handlebar on a straight surface, and we will see how bent it is or if it's bent. And let's see if I will win this bet or not. First of all, we have to take the handlebar, okay? And at the first look, the handlebar looks perfect. So the eye, the human eye, it's not always working like a measuring tape. So we have to have the proof. We will put the handlebar straight where is the connection with the fork, and let's see if the handlebar is bent or not. And as you see yourself, the handlebar is bent. How bent it is, we will measure it. And we put it in this way and in this way. Now we will take all measuring tape, okay, and let's see how many centimeters we have on the right hand side. Okay, and we see that we have here a different measurements. So this side, the right hand side, is lower from the surface of the table, and this side, the left hand side, is upper. We can go again to measure it the thing we can measure it before. Okay. Again, this side, the right hand side, is touching the table, and this side is upper. So that's the proof that the handlebar is bent. Of course, it's not good to ride day by day with a bent handlebar. Why? We might have reflexes when we ride. The right hand is stronger than the left hand side, the left hand, and in particular situation we might react differently. That's why it's good and it's okay if it will be perfect if we have a straight handlebar. How we fix it? I don't know anybody who can straighten this handlebar perfectly. Like, we have here 3 axles, here again 3 axles. I think it's very hard to bring this exactly at the point of this. And my opinion that always when you have a bent handlebar, better to buy a new one. We already ordered a new handlebar at Moto Nest, and which will come tomorrow, and we will continue our video tomorrow. But for today, I wanna bet the handlebar is bent. Here we are, the next day, and we have a new handlebar. thanks to the lads from the Motoland who deliver a new handlebar in one day. So, first of all, let's check the new handlebar if it's straight. So, this is new, this is old. I'm going to put it in this way to see the difference. We put it on a straight surface, the table, and we notice that any way we would put it, it's with both heads on the table, it's straight on the table over here. If we measure it over here, we have the same value, okay? It's absolutely the same value. But now, the final test. We put it side by side with the old one to see what's the difference. And at the first look, we notice that the both heads from the old handlebar are not in the correct position. Now we have two handlebars. One, which is bent, is not good anymore, and we put this away. The second one is brand new and have to be fitted. This it cost around 170. And if we add to this the cost of labor to be fitted, you can get to 250, nearly 300 euros. The conclusion is, every time when you go to buy a second-hand motorcycle, pay somebody or take somebody, a friend or whoever have knowledges about mechanics, knowledges about hidden hints, which you might find it to a motorcycle which you want to buy it. Never go alone and never rush, because you're gonna end up spending more money on parts instead of paying somebody to do that. So that's the conclusion, never rush. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to take the hammer to smash the subscribe button. And see you next time. Now, let's play. Ole.